Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So in the last class we finished our chapter, 6th chapter. Fine, I hope you all did the homework, you all did complete the classwork and even did the reader part also. Okay, so now today we will start our 7th chapter. So it is the wonder called water. So we know what is water. What is water? It's life to human beings and all the living creatures, isn't it? वो क्या है? लाइफ है एक जिससे हम all the living creatures are living. Without water there is no life. Same as air. As without air there is no life, without water also there is no life. So today in this lesson we are going to learn about the importance of water. Okay, water की अहमियत पढ़ेंगे. So here in this lesson there is a conversation between a father and son. Okay, एक father and son के बीच में ये conversation है. So before the conversation, how did the conversation started? ये कैसे conversation start हुआ? So here the topic was someone had left the bathroom tap running. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? किसी ने bathroom का tap ऐसे खुला छोड़ दिया after using. So the water was running from the tap. किसी ने नल क्या रखा? Open कर दिया. So water waste हो रहा था. So Mr. David, who was John's father, he called out, John. So John is saying, yes daddy. So Mr. Father says, stop that tap. We should not waste water like that. So जब पानी waste हो रहा था तो daddy called out John and said के close that tap. We should not waste the water. John turned off the tap. Then he came up to his father. John ने क्या किया? Tap off किया. Then father के पास आए. He said, daddy, water is so easy to get and it is so cheap. What does it matter if some of it runs out? तो जॉन ने क्या बोला? टैप क्लोज करके आके डैडी वाटर तो बहुत चीप है, यानी बहुत विदाउट प्राइस, सो बहुत सस्ता है. सो व्हाट डज इट मैटर इफ सम ऑफ इट रन्स आउट? तो थोड़ा सा वेस्ट हो जाए तो व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम इन दैट? सो फादर इज सेइंग यू थिंक इट इज इजी टू गेट बिकॉज वी हैव वाटर टैप्स इन आवर हाउस. But the water pipes goes all the way to a big lake. They bring water to us. Village people have to draw their water from distant wells and they carry it home. So father क्या बोल रहे हैं? You think it is easy to get water? हमारे यहाँ taps है. Just we open the tap and we get the water. Do you think it is? You think it is very easy? But where do we get all this water from? We get all this water from the lake. ये पानी कहाँ से आता है हमें? Lake through पाइपलाइंस के थ्रू हमें ये पानी आता है. बट इन विलेजेस पीपल हैव टू कैरी द वाटर फ्रॉम द विलेज. वाई? बिकॉज दे आर नॉट हैविंग पाइपलाइंस, इजंट इट? वी आर लिविंग इन सिटीज, सो वी आर गेटिंग वाटर थ्रू पाइपलाइंस, बट द विलेज पीपल दे डोंट हैव पाइपलाइंस, सो दे हैव टू कैरी द वाटर. कैरी मीन्स उनको पानी लेक से कैरी करके ले जाना पड़ता था, उठा कर ले जाना पड़ता था. So John is saying, thank God for our taps. So here, after listening the story of the village people, how they carry water, John is thanking God. Thank God we are having taps. Mr. David, God will be pleased if you don't waste our water. And you think water is cheap and common. But it is one of the most precious and wonderful things on the earth. Imagine yourself very thirsty in the desert and no water around. You would rather have a glass of water than a house full of gold. That shows the value of water. So Mr. David, the father is saying कि God will be pleased if we don't waste our water. God क्या होता है? हमसे बहुत खुश होते हैं जब हम पानी वेस्ट नहीं करते. And you think water is cheap and common, but it is one of the most precious and wonderful things on the earth. आप तो उसे चीप और कॉमन समझ रहे, बट वाटर क्या है? एक मोस्ट वंडरफुल एंड प्रीशियस थिंग है. वाटर क्या है? एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ और बहुत अहमियत वाली चीज़ है ऑन अर्थ. इमेजिन योर सेल्फ वेरी थर्स्टी इन द डेजर्ट. सो हियर फादर इज सेइंग कि जस्ट इमेजिन योर सेल्फ, यू टू कैन इमेजिन कि आप कोई जंगल पे हो एंड देयर इज़ नो वाटर. ओके, जंगल में आपको पानी नहीं मिला, एज एन डेजर्ट एरिया में क्या होता है? देयर इज़ नो वाटर एट ऑल. सो वेयर इज इंडिया का डेजर्ट कौन सा है? विच सिटी इज डेजर्ट? कौन सा स्टेट डेजर्ट पे है? इट्स राजस्थान. राजस्थान में क्या है? पूरा इट्स लाइक अ डेजर्ट एरिया, बहुत सारा डेजर्ट एरिया, सो देर इज़ नो वाटर एट ऑल, पानी तो दूर दूर तक दिखाई नहीं देता. सो एट दैट टाइम if someone is offering you gold also, house full of gold भी देता है instead of a glass of water, so you will pick a glass of water. आप क्या करते हो, पानी की importance ज़्यादा है, so you will drink that water, you will take that glass of water instead of house full of gold. अगर आपको कोई एक हाउस फुल ऑफ गोल्ड भी देता है एंड अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर भी देता है, तो आप क्या करते हो, इन डेजर्ट प्लेस you will reject the gold and take that water, isn't it? So that's how water is having importance in our life. Okay. So here John is saying, why do we feel thirsty, Daddy? The water in our body keeps going out in the form of urine and sweat. There must always be a certain amount of water in our blood. The moment that amount goes down, we feel thirsty. So here John asks, Daddy, why do we feel thirsty? हमें प्यास क्यों लगती है? So father is saying the water in our body keeps going out in the form of urine. Okay, जो हमारी body में water restore रहता है वो क्या होता है? As in form of urine or sweat. Sweat means हमारा पसीना. So it goes out in form of urine or either sweat. So when the amount of water level is decreased in our body, we feel thirsty. जब हमारी body में से पानी का level कम होता है तो हमें प्यास लगती है. John is asking, why should we have water in our blood? Blood in our body should have about 90% of water to perform its functions properly. If this amount goes down, the circulation of blood is affected. If the body does not get the necessary amount of water for a long time, it will dry up and we die. So John is saying, why should we have water in our blood? हमारे blood में पानी की क्यों ज़रूरत है? So daddy here is saying blood in our body should have 90% of water to perform its functions. हमारी body का जो blood रहता है, we know ना blood. So that blood needs about 90% of water. Blood को proper function करने के लिए क्या ज़रूरत है? Water की ज़रूरत है. कितना? That to 90% of water. If in case the water dries up in our body, अगर हमारी बॉडी का वाटर सूख जाता है, देर इज़ नो अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इन आवर बॉडी, देन वी डाई. क्या होता है? हम मर जाते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज इफ देर इज़ नो वाटर मीन्स द ब्लड गेट्स क्लॉटेड, एंड इफ द ब्लड इज क्लॉटेड इट विल नॉट मूव do the functions properly. So if the functions are not been going properly in our body, then means we die. Oh my daddy, we are the only ones who need the water. So John is asking, are we the only ones who need the water? Are we means, are we only the human beings who need the water? No, my son, all living beings need water. There can be no life without water. Even plants and trees must have water in the soil in which they grow. So father is saying, not at all, my son, not only we human beings, but the trees and the animals, all the living creatures, they need water. Trees also need water as the soil they have been grown in. जो soil में वो लोग grow होते हैं, that soil also should be moist. वो भी soil गीली होना पड़ता है, that because of water. If there is no water for the plant to grow, then it will also die. आपने कभी देखा है कोई plant? You haven't? Have you seen that one? If you haven't, do go into the garden or somewhere place. There you can see the soil beneath a tree. When it dries up, the plant automatically will die. But the plants which are greener, the soil below them will be moist. जो plants green होते हैं उसके नीचे soil जो रहती है वो बहुत moist रहती है, and the soil trees जो बहुत dried up रहते हैं, सूख जाते हैं, check that soil also, it is very dried up. And once you pour the water onto the soil, it absorbs the water, and the tree above the ground will shine a little bit. Do see that in your surroundings if you have trees. Okay, Daddy, from where do we get water? John is asking again, okay, from where do we get water? We get water from many sources like rivers, ponds, lakes and springs. We get underground water from hand pumps and tube wells. But all these sources of water depend on rain. So rain is the main source of water. So here John is asking, okay, where do we get water from, Daddy? So Daddy is replying, okay, we get underground water from hand pumps and tube wells and sources like rivers, ponds and lakes. So हमें पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? Rivers से आता है, lake से आता है. But mostly when we put a borewell switch in our house, we get a water. We think this much only now. What do we think? We think कि switch on करो, we'll get the water. But it's not that. The water we get from rivers, lakes and ponds. And most of all, where do these rivers, lakes and ponds get filled up? ये ponds, rivers कैसे fill होते हैं? They get filled up due to the rains. So recently, our city Hyderabad witnessed a huge rainfall, isn't it? बहुत ज़्यादा rainfall है in excess. इतने ज़्यादा हो गए कि the rivers and lakes were all overflooded, है ना? Same way, so if the water is low, we will die. If the water is high, it will also bring us trouble. So we should not waste the water and we should not use it in excess amount also. So rainfall is very important, isn't it? So Mr. Dravid is saying कि yeah, certainly it is very important for our farmers, for their crops depend on rainfall, but much of this water runs away to the sea. So here John is saying कि rainfall is important. So daddy is saying कि yes, but for most of all it is important for the farmers. Why? Because the crops which they are yielding, it is important for them, because if the rain is not sufficient, the crop will not yield. Okay, but much of this water runs away to the sea. What will happen? As the rainwater is falling down, most of the water get formed into the sea. John, we must stop it from running away to the sea. Oh yes, we must collect rainwater and store it up. We must grow plants. So John is saying okay, we should stop the rainwater going into the sea. So how can we stop? So father is saying okay, we should save the water and store it up and grow many plants. Plants, what have plants to do with water? So father is saying okay, my dear son, plants attract rain. So John here is asking okay, plants, why should we grow plants? What's the connection between plants and rainwater? So father is explaining okay, my dear son, plants attract rain. So what do you think of this? How can plant brings rain? Yes, just because of plants we get rain. So here John is saying again, thanking his daddy, as I shall never waste a drop of water. After getting a nice information about how we get water, how we have to save water, what are the uses of water and what are the things that bring us rain, after listening to all these things from his father, John thanked his daddy saying, okay, I will not waste the drop of water again. So kids, I hope you will also not waste the water after going through this lesson. So water is a very precious thing in our life. We should not even waste a little drop of water, because we are getting water very easily, but in villages and in desert areas, the people, they have to suffer a lot for the water. They don't even get drinking water facility also. They have to fetch the water from lakes and rivers far away in the village. So be thankful to God that we are having so much facilities and easiest way to get water, and be sure that you should not waste the water. So go through the lessons. We'll start the exercise part in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.